Looking for an opportunity to showcase your HGTV skills? Here's the perfect home full of character and charm. Open-face garage with lean-to. Rear fenced yard with deck. Front covered porch. This home has had lots of the expensive improvements already completed in past years, including architectural shingles, replacement windows, central HVAC and all new PEX plumbing with manifold, completely new electrical system. Property has 0.773 acres. This 3-bedroom 1.5 bath home with a basement has some pretty hardwood floors and lots of built-in cabinets. Living room. Master bedroom. Oversized windows provide plenty of natural light. Half bath and master. Bedroom 2. Kitchen. Large pantry adjacent to kitchen. Dining area in kitchen. The woodwork is in fantastic shape for its age, built in 1937. Bedroom 3. Rear entrance. Laundry room.